Hi, I'm Ron Perrin with Perrin Water Technologies. This is a sample video. My company inspects water storage tanks and towers. We use a remote underwater camera to inspect towers like this inspector is using. For larger tanks, we can deploy a dive crew or an ROV. We also use a dive crew to clean water storage tanks, and we're going to be showing you some of that footage today. The diver, Mike McGovern there, is getting suited up in a dry suit. This keeps him dry. No part of his body ever touches the water. We use all safety equipment required by OSHA, and now he is going down. On top of never touching the water, Mike is washed down with a 200 parts per million chlorine solution to meet American Water Works Association standards. All the equipment that's taken into the water system is bought for and only used in potable water. We're filming Mike with a ROV, a remotely operated vehicle. That is another one of our inspection tools we use for larger facilities. The ROV is also purchased for and only used in water, in potable water, like all of our equipment. This is an underground clear well. It only has a dusting of sediment. And now we're looking at the ROV, and the diver is actually filming the ROV. This is a video array. And let's switch back over to see what the video array is looking at. Is that roof support. And there you have the camera from the video array. Here we're looking at a few inches of sediment. We find that most tanks we inspect have 3 inches or less, but every once in a while we find a facility that has feet instead of inches. You never know what you have until you look. The sediment can be very dangerous to a water system. Bacteria, protozoa, and even viruses can make a home in the sediment. It can provide a habitat for them to grow and flourish. Here we're in a ground storage tank that has up to 24 inches of sediment in some spots. We've got a cleaning tool down there starting to work on getting this cleaned out. You can see when it's more than a few inches, this becomes quite a job to be done underwater. Now, by removing the sediment, the tank becomes much healthier. Here we are actually cleaning the floor of the tank. Outside, our 4-inch pump is pumping out the sediment into the yard. Usually the sediment we pump out can go right into the yard unless there's high levels of hydrocarbons in the sediment. Hiring a dive crew to keep the water storage tanks clean is an excellent way to ensure the health of your potable water system. Potable water is just drinking water. Here we have some dirtier tanks. A lot of times we have bacteria growing in the tanks that makes the sediment black. You never know what you have until you look. Inspections are important. Visit our website at ronperrin.com for more information. Thanks for watching our sample video.